Welcome back, guys. So right now, I want to create a payment page for this, and we're going to integrate it back to our WhatsApp. Now we've been able to create a payment page for this, but after we've created all these products, what we're going to do now is to create a payment page for each of it. I'm going to open a link tab, and I'm going to come back to our payments page. So we'll be able to only create how many payments page? We'll be able to only create two so far, and right now we want to create this. It says preview. Let's preview this right here, and here we've be able to preview, and it says one. Like, you have to pick more than one of the courses. You can grow your business with WhatsApp and Facebook marketing. If you want to pick for two, you can. If you want to pick for one, you can. So what I'm going to do now is to create another payments page, and to create another payments page, all I have to do is to click on new, and this time around what we want to create is a payments page. This you can create for products, so it's going to link back to your products, but I'm going to choose this product payments because we want to link it back to the product in our inventory, and a one-time payment is just a one-time payment. It has nothing to do with your inventory. But right now I'm going to choose product payments. That's why we created the inventory first. That's why we did all those products inventory, so that you can choose the product payments. If you don't want to create an inventory here, you have to choose a one-time payment, except you have a subscription payment base. So now I'm going to choose the product payments, and coming back here, the first one we want to do is should be email marketing for everybody, and I'm going to do just that. Coming back to my WhatsApp, look for email marketing with everybody, try to edit it. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back here to paste that, and I'm going to come back here to copy this as well, and I'm going to come back here to paste it. Then here we have learn the ropes of email marketing as a seasoned freelancer, a budding entrepreneur, or someone looking to explore the lucrative world of email marketing. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to stop here, and I'll say as a seasoned freelancer and a budding. So we're going to have it like this. I'm going to choose the image. I'm going to come back to my downloads. I'm going to look for Billard Tech Academy. Then I'll choose one of my images right here. I'll say large icons, and coming back here we have it. Then it's going to be this email marketing. Then we have that. Then you collect phone numbers. Then you show advanced option. The advanced option has a section for customized link, and I'm going to say email marketing. So we have something like this. Let's see, it's not available. I'm just going to say email marketing. Okay, learn. Let's see, learn email marketing on Udemy. So this will be a suitable link. Okay, this is perfect. And after payment, you redirect them to your WhatsApp like I've done earlier on. So all I have to do is to look for that link again. This is the WhatsApp link. You remember how we generated this link. I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to come back here to paste the redirect link and the success message. I would say create a success message for this course. So I'm going to just do this. I'm going to use Meta AI to do that as well. Again, I'll say create a success payment message for this course. I'm going to paste the description right here. I'm going to paste that, and I'm going to send that, and it's going to say congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering email marketing. Your payment to has been processed successfully. Then I'll copy this and come back here to paste it. I'll come back here to paste the success message. Then I'll paste it right here, and right now we are going to add Billard Tech Academy at gmail.com. Now we have this, and we are going to create that. That's our payment page for the email marketing course. Then I would add products. Remember, we need to add products, so I'm going to add products for my inventory, and I would say select products, which is this email marketing for everybody. I'm going to add that. Then that will be done, and having that done, I'm going to come back here to see what is all about. So this is it right here. All I have to do is to copy this. You can visit the link. When you visit it, you see the whole payment interface. So this is what it looks like when a user wants to pay. This is what it looks like. Then the payments will be collected easily. Then coming back here, I'm going to just copy the link. Then I'm going to integrate it into my WhatsApp. It's as simple as that. Come to your business tools and come to your catalog, come to your email marketing for everybody. I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to edit it right here, and input link optional. That's where people will make payments. I'm going to paste that and I'm going to save this right now. And that way we'll be able to create a payments page for the email marketing for everybody course, and people will be able to make payments. So let's check the first one we did. This for the Learn WhatsApp marketing. Once this link is clicked, the payment will be triggered. So I'll click on this link from WhatsApp. Then this way people make payments directly from WhatsApp. So it's as simple as that. You've created a very simple product catalog on WhatsApp and you'll be able to integrate payment into it. I hope to see you in the next lesson where we'll get to talk more about this course. I hope to see you there. See you there.